Drones, or unmanned aircraft systems, are rapidly becoming common. They are seen in various applications across India. This ranges from photography and filmmaking to agriculture and deliveries. As their use grows, so does the need for clear rules. The Ministry of Civil Aviation published the Drone Rules 2021. These rules ensure safety, security, and operational efficiency. They aim to make India a global drone hub. The Drone Rules 2021 classify drones based on their all-up weight. This weight includes the drone itself, its payload, and fuel or batteries. This classification system is fundamental. It determines the specific rules and regulations applicable to each drone. Understanding these categories is the first step for any aspiring drone pilot or operator. The smallest category is the nano drone. These drones weigh less than or equal to 250 grams. Nano drones are very popular among hobbyists and for recreational flying. Due to their small size and low weight, they pose minimal risk. Therefore, they are exempt from many of the stringent requirements. For instance, nano drone operators generally do not need a pilot license or type certification. However, they are still expected to fly responsibly. They must avoid restricted areas and ensure they do not cause any harm or disturbance. Next are micro drones and small drones. Micro drones weigh more than 250 grams but less than or equal to 2 kilograms. Small drones weigh more than 2 kilograms but less than or equal to 25 kilograms. These categories cover a wide range of drones used for various purposes. Applications include professional photography, videography, surveillance, and agricultural spraying. The heavier categories are medium drones and large drones. To ensure safe drone operations, Indian airspace is divided into 3 distinct zones. These zones are red, yellow, and green. Each zone has specific rules regarding where and how drones can be flown. This demarcation is crucial for preventing conflicts with manned aircraft. It also protects sensitive areas from unauthorized drone activity. The Digital Sky Platform, managed by the DGCA, provides an interactive map. This map shows these zones, helping pilots plan their flights legally and safely. Understanding these zones is mandatory for all drone operators. The red zone is a no-drone zone. Drone operations are strictly prohibited in these areas. Flying a drone in a red zone requires explicit prior permission from the central government. The yellow zone is considered restricted airspace. Drone operations in this zone require prior permission from the concerned Air Traffic Control Authority. The green zone is designated as permitted airspace for most drone operations. In green zones, no prior permission is required for operating drones up to 400 feet above ground level. The green zone offers considerable freedom for drone pilots. Operating a drone legally in India involves several key compliance steps. These include drone registration, type certification, and obtaining a remote pilot license where applicable. The Digital Sky Platform serves as the central hub for all these processes. It is a single-window online system designed to streamline approvals and ensure compliance. Type certification is a mandatory requirement for all drones intended for sale or operation in India. This applies unless the drone is a nano drone or a model remotely piloted aircraft system. Type certification ensures that a particular model of drone meets specified airworthiness and safety standards. All drones, except those in the nano category, must be registered on the Digital Sky Platform. Upon successful registration, the drone is assigned a unique identification number. The UIN is similar to a license plate for a vehicle. A remote pilot license is required for operating all drones except nano drones. Micro drones being operated for non-commercial purposes are also exempt from requiring an RPL. To obtain an RPL, individuals must undergo training at a DGCA-authorized remote pilot training organization. Many drones must be no permission, no takeoff compliant. Beyond registration and licensing, drone pilots must adhere to specific operational guidelines. These guidelines are designed to ensure that drones are flown safely and responsibly. They aim to prevent accidents, protect privacy, and maintain national security. A fundamental operational rule is maintaining visual line of sight, or VLOS. This means the remote pilot must be able to see the drone with their own eyes at all times during the flight. Altitude restrictions are another critical aspect of safe drone operation. In uncontrolled airspace, typically green zones, drones are generally restricted from flying above 400 feet or 120 meters above ground level AGL. Pilots must also be extremely cautious about flying near certain locations. Restrictions apply to operating drones near airports, international borders, and military installations. Flying is also restricted over state capitals, secretariat complexes, and other strategic or sensitive locations. Unauthorized flights in these areas can pose serious security threats. Pilots should consult the Digital Sky Airspace map before every flight. The drone rules. 2021 emphasized the importance of built-in safety features for drones. These features are not just recommendations, but often mandatory requirements. They are designed to enhance the operational safety of drones. Drones operating in India must be equipped with several key safety features. Geofencing capability is one such important feature. Geofencing uses GPS technology to create virtual boundaries. It prevents drones from entering restricted airspace, such as red zones or areas around airports. Another vital feature is return to home, or RTH. If the drone loses its communication link with the pilot or has low battery, the RTH function automatically guides it back to its takeoff point. Anti-collision lights are also required, especially for operations during low-light conditions. A significant requirement under the Drone Rules 2021 is mandatory third-party insurance. Drone operators must have valid insurance coverage for their drones. This insurance is intended to cover any potential liability arising from accidents. The drone regulatory landscape in India is continuously evolving. As technology advances and new applications emerge, the rules are updated to address new challenges and opportunities. Staying informed about these recent developments is crucial for all stakeholders in the drone ecosystem. The government actively monitors the implementation of the rules. It makes necessary adjustments based on feedback and operational experience. A notable recent development is the provisional approval of the National Test House, Northern Region, Ghaziabad. In September 2024, the Quality Council of India approved NTH as a certification body. This body is for the type certification of unmanned aircraft systems. Alongside efforts to facilitate the industry, there is also a strong focus on enforcement. Non-compliance with the Drone Rules 2021 can lead to significant penalties. The enforcement mechanisms are being strengthened to ensure that violations are detected and appropriate action is taken.